So you might be in this really weird situation where for some reason you're recording videos on your particular iPhone, but for some reason there's no audio in those videos. Now, the first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that when you're going through and you're recording the video, so you can see right here, I'm recording this video right here. The first thing I'd recommend doing is when you're playing that particular video, that the video is actually, you bring the volume up on that video. So if I go right here, if I go and make my way over into this video right here, there's a mute button at the very bottom. So if you look closely, right at the very bottom, there's a mute button. What you want to do is you want to make sure that video is not on mute. So that's number one. If you see that little icon right there, then that's great. Now, if you see that icon, another thing you're going to want to do probably is just make sure your volume is up on your particular iPhone. So go and find your volume buttons and go ahead and just bring the volume up or down depending on what you want to do. So that's another very big thing you're going to want to do is to either increase the volume or decrease the volume. And that's another thing you can do to basically alleviate this particular problem. Now, sometimes there can be some issues where your particular, audio was not recorded at all on your particular phone. Another thing you may want to try doing is making sure there wasn't any weird issues going on with your particular iPhone during recording. So sometimes if you have a third-party device connected, like if you have headphones or something connected and those headphones are being awkward or those are mute when you're recording, then it's not going to record the audio. So you just want to make sure that's not a problem either, which for a lot of people that could be an issue. Another thing you may want to try doing is restarting your iPhone. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart it, go and get into here, slide the power off, and then you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. Another thing you can do is try updating your iPhone as well. So find the settings app on your particular iPhone, go and scroll down, click on General, Software Update, and you want to see if a software update can end up fixing the problem as well. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.